Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 15. Look at with me about question number 1, group A. If summation of frequency equal 20 and summation of frequency product the center of all fields equal 100, then the arithmetic mean x bar equal. We can find x bar by divided the summation of frequency times xm divided by summation of frequency. 100 divided by 20 equal 5. Then the answer will be letter D. And also we know that if you want to find the arithmetic mean of all data, you can collect the data and divide the numbers of data. But in this example, we have frequency table. If you have frequency table, you can divide its summation of frequency times xm divided by summation of frequency. The result will be 5. Number 2 is the mode for the opposite frequency here. Where is the mode? We have marked 10 repeated 5 and 20 marked repeated 12. 30 repeated 8, then marks 20 repeated 12, then the answer will be letter C. Also the mode, it's meaning the digits which more repeating. Look at here, 20 repeating here 12 times, then the marks the most repeating, it will be 20. Then the mode for the opposite frequency distribution, it will be 20. Choose letter C. Second question. Give me table and you find arithmetic mean and also find median and mode. Okay, we can solve the example here outside. Look at here. First step, I will draw the table. Contains of 4 vertical bar and divided it. Okay, like this. Start with me. Draw 1, 2, 3. and last one 4. Okay, we can raise the information first about x bar. To find x bar, find first x and frequency. This sits here and the center of all sets, and frequency product by center of sets. Next step, we can write here first the sets was the first step to 10 to 20, and then from 20 to 30, and from 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60, last one. And then we can find frequency from this table. We have frequency 10, 20, 30, 24, and 16. And center 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2, 25. And also he ate 10, down 10, 20, 30, 40, then 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and then product 10 times 15, it will be 150. 20 times 25, 20 times 25 equal 500. 30 times 35, 30 times 35 equivalent to 1050, and then 24 times 45 equal 1080, and 16 times 55 equal 880. And then you can collect all the information here and divide it by the sum of frequency. The sum of frequency was 100, and then we can collect 880 plus 1080 plus 1050 plus 500 plus 150. The result will be 3660. We can find x bar by divided the two numbers here. Okay, then x bar will be equal 36 and 6 tenths, the arithmetic mean. Now I will draw the table next time. There is a table. Okay, look at here. Of frequency he asked about. Look at here, question number 2. Form send the frequency table and represent your frequency and find the median. Okay, I will do the table like this. We can write here the upper for frequency, and here ascending cumulative frequency. First, start from 10 to 20. Right, less than 10. Okay, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30. Okay, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, and less than 60. Less than 10, it will be 0. Less than 20, it will be 10. Less than 30, 20 plus 10 equals 30. You can collect together. Less than 30, 20 plus 10 is 30. Less than 40, 30 plus 20 plus 10. It will be 50 plus 10, 60. Less than 50, 24 plus 60. Collect all together down. 24 plus 60, it will be 84. Less than 60, 16 plus 64 equal 100. Okay, 100. We collect here 100. Your answer correct now. And then draw vertical. First sets 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The top here 100. You can go to 100, write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The first set 0, 10 by 0, 10 or 20 with 10, 30 with 30, 40 to 60, less than 50, 84, less than 60, 100. And then draw. Okay, then we can find the half of 150. Going from 30 to 40. We can find the median now. Lies between 30 and 40. We can find the exact answer by this method. We know 100 divided by 2 equal 50. This is the order of the median. It will be 50, right? 50 where in this place lies between 3 parts and 3 parts. Okay, this is 50. And right here Q. And then find this method. Write 50 minus 30 over 60 minus 3 is 60 minus 30 equivalent to Q minus 30 over 40 minus 30. And then 50 minus 30 equal 20. And 60 minus 30 is 30. And then Q minus 30. 40 minus 30 is 10. Cancel 0 by 0, and then write 20 equals 3 times Q, and 3 times 30 is 90. 90 plus 20 is 110 equals 3Q. Then the value of the median, write 110 divided by 3. It will give me the exact answer. 110 divided by 3 will be 36 and 6 tenths. 36 and 6 tenths. Next question. We can draw to find. Now we found here the median. Now I will Draw the histogram to find the mode. Already, first step, we can write 0, draw the histogram from this table. Okay, now I will find the mode. Okay, write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's intervals. And grid number 30, you can write here 0, 10, 20, and 30. And then draw the first interval 10 to 10. Second interval to 20. And third to 30. And then to 24. And next to 16. And then draw like this the section at 2 points. And then draw vertical. Then the mode will be equal 35, nearest to 35. Okay, that's it. Next question, group B. We want to find arithmetic mean. X bar equal divided between two numbers. We can divide it together. 200 divided by 20 equal 10. The answer here will be letter D. Next question. The mode for the opposite frequency distribution is, look at here, marks 10 repeated 15, marks 20 repeated 12, third repeating, the most repeating 10, 10 repeating 15 times. The answer here will be letter B. Next question, second. You want to also find arithmetic mean and mode and median. Okay, first step, I will found arithmetic mean by drawing the table and divide it for parts from right hand side like this. One, 2, 3, and 4. We can write first markets X and frequency F and center XM product by frequency. X here marked 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Okay, and frequency here 12, 30, 20, 24, 40. And then we can write center between upper and lower divided by 2, 10 divided plus 20, 30 divided by 2, 15, 15, and then 8, 10 all the times. It will be 25, 35, 45, 55. And then product 12 by 15 is 180. 30 times 25 equal 30 times 25, 750. And 20 times 35 is 700. 24 times 45, 14 times 55, 770. Okay, and then collect 770 plus 1080 plus 700 plus 750 plus 180, 3480. And then we can find arithmetic mean by divided two numbers by together. Okay, divided summation of x product by xm and frequency, we can write 3480 divided by 134 and 8 tenths. Next question. Group letter C. First, choose the correct answer from those given. Summation of frequency is 20, and summation of f times center of all sets 500. The arithmetic mean equal, we can divide the 500 by 20. The result will be 25. Choose letter A. Question number 2. The mode for the opposite frequency distribution is, what is the number here is most repeating? The marks 15 repeating 23 times. The answer here will be 15. Choose letter C. Next question. You want also here find arithmetic mean and mode and median. Okay, first step, I will draw the table and divide it 4 parts vertical. Four parts like this. Right here x and frequency and center x and product between frequency and center of sets. We can find set 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to 60, and frequency here 15, 24, 30, 20, 11. You can find the center of sets. First interval 10 plus 20, 30 plus 2 equal 15. Okay, and then 8 10 will be 25, 35, 45, 55. 15 plus 15, 225. And then 24 times 25 is 600. 30 times 35, 1050. 20 times 45, 11 times 55 equals 605. And then we can collect together 900 plus 1050 plus 600 plus 225. Collect together, okay? And the result will be 3380. And we can find x bar. We can find the number here divided by this to be 33 and 8 tenths. Okay. And then we can draw less than 10 to be 0, less than. Okay, look at with me about steps. First we can draw the table, write the upper ascending, draw 2 parts. The first here, okay, I will draw in the paper the beast to draw, okay? We can draw the table contains of 2 bar models. First we can find the upper limit and ascending cumulative of the data. Start here less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, and less than 60. Okay, less than 10 here, look at here, less than 10 we haven't, write 0. Less than 20 it will be 15, okay, write 15. Less than 30, 24 plus 15 equals 39. Less than 30, okay, less than 40 it will be 30 plus 39, it will be 69. Less than 50, 20 plus 69, it will be 89. less than 60. 11 plus 89, it will be 100. Then now we will draw the table. After the table, graphical, like this, horizontal by x-axis and y-axis. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Going to 100, write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then right, starting from 0, we're 10 by 0, and here to 15, and the next to 20, to 30, again 0, 15, 0, 15, 39, okay, again 0, and here 15, and the next is 39, 39 here, and the next is 69, and 89, 89, okay, again 10 by 0, and the next 15, 39, okay, we haven't here, it's not correct, okay, 0, 15, 39, 69, 69 here, okay, like this, we have 39 and 69, and then 89, 89, and then 100. Then there is a curve like this. Then we can find the sum 100 divided by 2, 50. The order of the median is 50. Then we can draw horizontal and cut the point, and then draw the vertical. We can find the value from the table graphically. Okay, look at here, algebra tips. First, we know 50 lies in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Right here 50, and here Q. Look at here, write the steps. Q subtract by 30 over 40 minus 30, and 50 minus 39 over 69 minus 39. Q subtract by 30 over 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 39, 10 minus 9 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 9 minus 9 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3. We can sum list. Then 3 times Q equal 3Q, subtract by 90 equal 11. Then 3Q equal 90 plus 11, write 1, 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then 101 divided by Q, 3. 33.6. Now we can find the mode. Look at here. Draw the histogram. Contains about x-axis and y-axis and the power models up. We can write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This interval. Write 0, going to up, its number was 30, start, write 10, 20, 30. The first interval going to 15, and second to 24, here, and the third to 30, and the fourth 20, and next to 11, and then draw vertical, and then draw like this. Two parts, intersection at one point. This point I will draw vertical and projection at x-axis. Then the mode is nearest to 34. Okay, last question about this mode. Okay, understood.